Okay, so today I was reminded to ask myself 3 things. The first thing is to think about what I value. And so I'm asking myself, do I value my health? And then I have to think about the next question. Can someone else see in my life that I value my life and my health? Well, more particularly my health. Is it visible? Can I see that sometimes I don't overeat, or I don't eat a lot of sugar, or at least try to to make the effort? And then the third question is, what am I going to do about it if I don't really see that in myself for real? I might think that I'm a healthy person. I do this and that, but maybe I can do a bit more. Maybe just be a bit more aware of what I'm really doing. So yeah, maybe you can also think about it. Then today's move, it's out on a run today again, and I am going to do a 20-second run and a 10-second, oh no, let's make it 30-second run as fast as I can, and 10-second walk. So, and I'm going to do it 3 times in a row, but I'm only going to share it once here. So you'll just have to trust me that I'm doing it. And I hope you also find the time today to prioritize it, so that we can both, or all of us, can maybe live up to our values, if we aren't at the moment. So I'm gonna start now. I'm just gonna wait 2 seconds. Okay, I'm just going. I can't change the screen at the moment, so bear with my face. It's just, if you are running on uneven ground, be careful, and be careful with technology especially, because, well, you can break a bone, but you can also break your phone. So, yeah, I'm not running very fast here at the moment. I think I'm past my 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Okay, I'm going to share the next 30-second one. This is a bit more steep. It's part of the Malmesbury Park run route, and I think they call it in English, in Afrikaans it's fastbite. Basically hang on, like crunching on your teeth. I can walk now. So all of the best. I hope you get it done today. Look at the beautiful view.